Ever wondered how life could be with lush, healthy hair? Let me tell you about Phylexin, the secret weapon for those wanting visibly stronger and more radiant hair. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, supports your hair growth cycle, while Foti has been used traditionally to enhance the natural hair growth process. Imagine waking up to thicker, healthier hair every day. It's not just a dream. I used to struggle with dull and thinning hair, but after trying Phylexin, my hair has never been so vibrant and strong. This supplement, made with quality natural extracts and nutrients, fits seamlessly into my busy lifestyle. And the best part, it's suitable for both men and women. Experience the difference for yourself. Ready for healthier hair? Visit Phylexin's official store and get started today.